Welcome to this comparison between two of the most popular programming languages in the world, Python and JavaScript. If you are a beginner deciding which one to learn first, this guide will help you understand the key differences, strengths, and career paths for each. Let's start with Python. Python is known for being a high-level, general-purpose language. Its biggest strength is readability. The syntax is designed to look like English, making it incredibly beginner-friendly. You can write powerful programs with fewer lines of code compared to other languages. Now let's look at JavaScript. This is the language of the web. It runs directly in your browser and is what makes websites interactive and dynamic. If you want to build buttons that click, animations that move, or complex web applications, JavaScript is essential. Here is a quick look at the syntax. On the left, Python uses indentation and clean keywords. Notice how there are no curly braces or semicolons. On the right, JavaScript uses curly braces to define blocks of code and semicolons to end statements. Python is often considered visually cleaner. Python shines in data-heavy fields. It is the #1 choice for data science, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. It is also excellent for automating boring tasks on your computer and for backend server development. JavaScript is the king of front-end development. You use it to build user interfaces using libraries like React or Vue. However, with Node.js, you can also use JavaScript on the backend, allowing you to use one language for your entire application. Career-wise, Python opens doors to roles like data scientist, machine learning engineer, and backend developer. JavaScript is perfect for aspiring front-end developers, full-stack developers, and mobile app creators. Both paths offer high salaries and varied opportunities. Regarding the learning curve, Python is generally considered easier to start with because the syntax gets out of your way. JavaScript is a bit more quirky and requires you to understand how it interacts with HTML and CSS, but it gives you instant visual feedback in the browser. So, which should you choose? If you are interested in data, AI, or want the gentlest introduction to coding logic, pick Python. If you want to build visual websites and interactive applications immediately, pick JavaScript. Ultimately, you cannot go wrong with either.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.